and shovel and girl sure don't fit my hand. Yeah, pick and shovel, baby, sure don't fit my own hand. They always told me a pick and shovel girl was made just for a monkey man. They said work was hard, baby. You know I don't bother with it. Yeah, this ain't working so hard. Baby, you know I don't bother with it. I take it easy longer just to see what I can get. This is a Georgia buggy going, sure was made for a monkey man. You know these Georgia buggies, that's the first line. Sure was made for a monkey man. But I ain't never seen one yet, woman, girl, that would fit my hand. Well, I'm going to see my boss man, ask him how much he will pay. Yeah, I'm going down to see my boss man, just to see how much he would pay. See that I don't get $1.50, Jim. I told him my bill would stay away all day.